Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can lock any app on your iPhone in iOS 16. So before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So this is a trick with shortcut. With a shortcut you can lock any app on your iPhone. So let me show you how you can do that. First of all, go to your shortcut app in your iPhone and click on plus icon and click on add action. Then search for ask for input, click on it, then just simply type password and question mark. So once you've done this, then click on if and then simply click on condition and click on is and select is. So once you've done this, then scroll down, then search for open and scroll down and click on open app, then position it, then select the app that you want to lock. In my case, I'm selecting photos. Then you can click on this icon and click on add to home screen. Now name the shortcut and then simply click on choose icon. Make sure that download icon from Google and click on choose, then simply click on add, and here we go, here we have it. Then you have to enter the password. You can enter anything, then click on done. Now you can run the Photos app and it will ask for the password. Here we go. So hope this video helps you guys. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.